All right, so again, you should be in my Flex now. Now for the overlays, I showed you the map tools, and there's a little button down here, kind of gives you an idea on what these tools are and how to use them. Okay. On the upper right-hand corner here of your map, you should also have a satellite view. And then here in the overlays, this will give you elementary schools, flood zones, high schools, middle schools, and zip codes. So let's just go flood zones. If you select flood zone, now it will overlay the flood zone map for you. And you can zoom in, and you can see where the homes sit on the flood zones. You can uncheck that, and then you can say, let's go with elementary schools, and then it has an overlay of where these school zones are. And then you can see the results from your search within these areas. So if you want to take, and let's just go a 2 to 3 bedroom within Bennett Woods area, we'll go ahead and you can see the houses that are in there. Now let's just go ahead and we'll draw a circle. And then you get your 7 results. And that's just a quick way on how to use overlays.